Bitcoin has been testing this structure support right here for some time, but it looks like we've officially broken back up out of it, and this could be bullish sentiment. But before we get into it, I have to congratulate our members on a brand new 4% trade win. As of this morning, Litecoin passed its 4% take profit, so congratulations to everyone that was in this trade. We still have 2 more going with more well on the way. I know we're going into a recession right now, and times are tough, so if you want to make money right now in crypto, be sure to pick up the membership at the links in the description below, and with that, let's get started in the video. Now, in this video, I am going to be showing you some opportunities and how you can actually use these indicators and the membership to make the most money possible. With that, let's get into it, starting with the tradeconfident.io website here, scrolling straight down to Bitcoin. Now, the emotional index here is going to be your window inside the mind of crypto traders, and a lot of traders have been feeling anxious, as you can see right here, as the price has dropped. But with this little bit of price increase, we're starting to get some confidence back into the market, and we're likely to see over the next couple of days a push into neutral. And if the price continues upward as we expect, we could actually see excited or even greedy moves. This will be really exciting because it will mean the price will have pushed up quite a bit, so be on the lookout for that. Next up is the Bitcoin long versus short trades, and I know people are straining right now, but check this out. In the long term, as soon as we hit the bull market, and there's a lot of argument that we already have that could be that the bottom has already happened, what I want everyone paying attention to is just how vastly superior, just how much more long trades there are than short trades in this market. And this bodes really well for the bull market. As soon as the bull market takes off, these long trades are going to come into effect, and it's just going to be a skyrocket. It's going to be insane. Now, the Bitcoin whale smart money metric will allow you to trade with whale traders, and that's really how you're going to win in this market. Right now, there's a lot of long trade sentiment still in the market, and this is partially why we're seeing moves up. Now, the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector has sensed less volatility in the market, and this comes with the sideways movement that we're seeing right now. And most often after we see low volatility, as we saw over here, we see a massive spike with big spikes in price as well. Now, support and resistance is the foundation of technical analysis, and right now we're going to be looking at the $24,262 structural resistance right here before we move up to the mythical right here, $25,000. If we do see a move down, there's always that chance. We want to be looking at the $21,366 structure support, but I think that's going to be a little bit difficult to hit. Last but not least is the daily trade scanner. Now, this has been making some great sell signals. I mean, check this out right here. Check these out. We saw big moves down in the market as soon as they popped. At this point, it does look like we're moving up. So at this point, I will be looking for, as we move up, the next sell signal to pop right here, and that should confirm the top of the move. Now, if you want to get access to all of these metrics, if you want to get access to future forecast Fridays, and Travis has been crushing these videos, this is members only content, and I have to say I'm really impressed. We're really blessed to see this, but every single prediction that we've made since we started doing this has come true. Congrats to Travis, congrats to anyone that is following these. Now, we can't guarantee it'll always be right, but that is the metric so far. If you want to join our trade setups, we are now 3 wins, 0 losses, and that is coming from over 120 wins with 1 loss from Terra Luna last year in the bull market. After doing some studies, we do truly believe that the bull market is coming. Most often, the bull market starts about 6 months, about a year before the halving event on Bitcoin, and that is happening in April of 2024. So we're getting close to that point, and that's why we've decided to start doing trades again. So if you want to get access, we still have 2 more open with more on the way. Be sure to grab a membership at the links in the description. Once you click the link, it'll bring you to our membership page right here, and the full access is only $59 a month. And I know this sounds like a lot, but people are making their money back with the scalping trade calls already. People are absolutely crushing it. We're really, really happy for our members. On top of this, you'll get access to Wisdom Wednesday episodes. The next one's coming out today, and we'll be talking about trader psychology. You'll also get access to our 2 to 4 day future forecasts. This is members only content, and it's going to be really important for you to see. And last but not least, of course, you'll get access to the metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we look forward to trading with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame. We're using the TC top and bottom finder, the price versus while money flow, and the trend exhaustion indicators. Now, the first one I'm looking at here is the price versus while money flow. And as I said on the whale and smart money metric, you want to be following the whales in this market. That's how you're going to be making your money and win trades. Now, none of this, of course, is financial advice. This is just how we've made our own success. As of right now, the price versus while money flow is pretty low on its chart, and this comes as we hit structure support. Most often what this tells me is whales are likely to begin moving money back into the market, and as that happens, the price is liable to start moving up quickly. Now, on top of just that one indicator alone, the trend exhaustion here is telling us that we just bottomed out. It went into its bottom red territory, telling us that this move down is just about exhausted, and since then we've seen slight upwards movement. This is correlated here, and as the price moves up, we expect to see it move up as well. Now, as we said on the daily trade scanner, we are going to be looking for a sell signal here on the TC top and bottom finder. As the price moves up, if we hit a sell signal, if we get the price versus while money flow high, if we get the trend exhaustion high, if we get all three of these signals, this is the most reliable signal we've seen for a move down in the crypto market. And in order to make money, what you could do, and again, we're not financial advisors, as the price hits this structure resistance right here, that's when we're expecting moves back down. If you've entered a long trade around this point, this could be a great time to exit your coins. And I know a lot of people aren't putting money back into the crypto market, so you can even do this. Even if you didn't enter right here, just watch the price move up. If we get that sell signal, if we get the price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion too, I'm betting we're going to see a move down. And what you can do, even if you are way up, even if you bought Bitcoin at like all the way up at $69,000, you can even still do this. You could try exiting a portion right here, and as the price moves back down, you can enter again at a lower price, and just this distance, even if it's really small, will lower your break-even point significantly. This is great news for anyone that bought super duper high on Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency in general. I have to say this is pretty risky, so when you enter back in your trades, we highly recommend using some risk management, which can be found on the TC top and bottom finder here. If you use show take profit, market order, buy limit 1 and 2. We don't really need 3 right now, or at least that's not what I use. But just in case the price does end up dropping when you enter a trade, these buy limits will have you covered. If the price drops all the way down to 18,000, it'll just buy the dip for you. Super, super easy. This will drop your break-even point and bring you into profit even faster than before. And on top of this, you can get all 3 of these indicators plus 8 more for $400 off right now. And the way you can do this is click the indicator link in the description. It'll bring you to this page right here. Purchasing the bundle pack right here will include the trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow, as well as 7 other indicators. Now, this one has over 3,900 sales, which is just absolutely insane. You know traders are doing well with it. You can see this person made $950 in 1 day. Now, that bundle pack will include the $400 off coupon for your use to purchase the TC top and bottom finder here. Purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators with that $400 off coupon is actually cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone. So why not get 11 trading indicators right now? Again, links for that are in the description. Same with the membership. We highly encourage you to join. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.